This small green vegetable may not look extraordinary, but it's packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and can be turned into one of the most delicious South Indian side dishes you will ever taste. Today, I'm harvesting fresh tindora, also known as ivy gourd, straight from the garden and making a flavorful South Indian palya. Stay with me until the end because I'll share a few simple cooking tips that make this dish especially flavorful and delicious. Tindora, also called ivy gourd, is a fast-growing tropical vine that loves warm weather and plenty of sunshine. It climbs beautifully on trellises or fans, making a wonderful addition to any vegetable garden. Once established, the vine produces an abundant harvest throughout the growing season. The fruits are best picked when they are young, firm, bright green before they begin turning red. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce even more. Look for young, tender tindora that are firm and bright green. These have the best texture and flavor for cooking. Simply hold the fruit gently and snap it off the vine, or use garden scissors if needed. There's something incredibly satisfying about cooking vegetables just minutes after picking them. The most common home garden variety is a sterile parthenocarpic cultivar. This specific variety produces fruit without any pollination, resulting in seedless or non-viable seeds. A baby tindora starts out with a beautiful white flower at the tip, which withers away in a day. Thereafter, the fruit starts getting larger and gets ready for picking in a few days. Wash the tindora thoroughly, trim off both the top and bottom ends. Now slice each tindora lengthwise into 4 pieces, then cut those pieces in half. This size helps the vegetables to cook evenly while allowing them to absorb all the wonderful flavors of the spices. I'm using 25 tindoras to make this palya today. I'm using chopped curry leaf in this recipe. So I've taken 10 to 15 curry leaves and I'm chopping it here. Next, take half-inch ginger, peel the skin, slice it and chop it into small pieces. Also chop 8 to 10 cilantro and keep it aside. Chop 2 to 3 gandhari chilies or 1 green chili. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee, also known as clarified butter. If you prefer, you can use cooking oil instead. Once the ghee is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of chana dal. Once mustard seeds splutter, add chopped curry leaves and chopped ginger and stir it well. Next, add the chopped tindora and chopped green chilies and mix well, so every piece is coated with the seasoned ghee. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and saute for about 2 minutes. Pour in half a cup of water, stir once more, then cover the pan with a lid. Reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Check occasionally and give it a gentle stir to prevent sticking. Once the water has evaporated and tindora is tender, add about half teaspoon of your favorite spice mix. You can use sambar powder, rasam powder, or any mild vegetable masala you enjoy. Now add salt to taste, mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes so the spices blend beautifully with the vegetables. You can skip the spice mix if you enjoy the mild taste of tindora. Squeeze 1/4 of a lime or lemon and mix well. Besides being delicious, tindora is packed with nutrients. Its low glycemic index and high fiber content may help manage blood glucose levels by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. It's also rich in vitamins A and C, beta-carotene, and iron, nutrients that help support healthy vision, immunity, and energy levels while helping prevent fatigue and anemia. The potassium in ivy gourd helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium in the body, and its dietary fiber promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Healthy, nutritious, and fresh from the garden. What's not to love? To check if tindora is done, gently press a piece with your spatula. If it breaks apart easily, it's cooked perfectly. Finally, add 1/4 cup freshly grated coconut and half cup chopped cilantro. Mix everything gently turn off the heat and cover the pan for about 10 minutes. This resting time allows all the flavors to come together beautifully. And that's it! Our fresh garden to table Tindora Palya is ready. This simple, nutritious side dish pairs perfectly with chapatis or steamed rice. Fresh vegetables harvested from your own garden always have a special flavor that's hard to match. If you enjoyed this garden to kitchen journey, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who enjoy gardening and healthy home cooked meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden adventure.